Hi everyone, my name is Amanda.
And I'm Lisa. Today we have two finger food meals which your child will definitely enjoy. The first meal we have is a healthy mini quiche, which is easy to make. Most of the ingredients are commonly found in your home. The ingredients we will need is pastry, bacon, grated cheese, 3 eggs, spinach, and 300 ml of milk. You can also use cream and tomato. We'll be lining the baking tray with our puff pastry. Make sure to wipe it with a bit of butter or oil so your puff pastry will not stick. Add 2 teaspoons of butter. You can use oil if you prefer. Add your bacon and your spinach. Saute and cook for at least 4 minutes or until your bacon is lightly golden. Then set this aside. Place your eggs, milk, cheese, and tomato in a bowl. Beat with a fork until all ingredients are combined. Once you have all your ingredients mixed, slowly transfer this into your pastry-lined muffin trays, placing your sautéed spinach, bacon and tomato on top.
The second meal I'll be showing you is a simple sausage roll recipe. This is a good finger food meal, entertaining food, or just to have it as a snack for your child to enjoy. Here we have 600 grams of sausage meat, 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped onion, and 2 eggs. In a bowl you can add your sausage meat, onion, carrot, and you can add salt and pepper to taste. When you finish mixing all your ingredients together, put it along the edge of the pastry just like this. Then, once you put your sausage meat on the pastry, you just cut it in half like this. Then you get your egg wash, put it around the edge like this. How big you want your sausage rolls. And you put your egg wash on top so it can be brown.
Here is our mini quiches and our mini sausage rolls.
Yummy.